use that word desperate because it's too much. Deji was not into her, was never into her, but she actually liked Deji. I think that is fair because I don't want to use desperate on her. Deji, the Deji don't like the girl. I don't want to play pity. It was obvious in the house, Choco. This guy was not into this girl. But coming out, you saw a girl, you begged her, please forgive me, because of the fame. He wanted to use Chichi. He saw that Chichi was better than him outside. Yes, I'm going to say it's not because he was a New Yorker. You guys, it's not all New Yorker that have money. He saw that Chichi was better than him outside the house. He begged, he used her, and he slept with another person and break up.
Deji and Chichi break up. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I've got a very interesting gist for you. So guys, do you know that Deji and Chichi are finally broken up? Yeah, Chichi has finally broken the silence following a breakup rumor with Deji. The fourth runner-up of Bbnaija Season 7, Chichi reacts to the rumors of getting dumped by her love interest, Deji Morafa. This comes barely an hour after Deji reacted to the allegation of being gay and indirectly spoke about the state of his relationship. So guys, there's also a trending gist about Deji being gay and that Chichi caught Deji and Dotu under the duvet doing things. So she decided that, okay, since this is what you're doing, I can't take this and all that. And then instead of Deji apologizing, Deji then said that, okay, it's over between us, let's end this, and that she shouldn't tell anyone what she saw, and that if she does, is going to release her nudes. Guys, check out this video.
The gist is, in South Africa, Deji avoided Chichi, and throughout that period, Deji was with Dotun, and Chichi realized or found out that the two of them are having something together. They do a kind of something, and then confronted Deji, and instead of Deji apologizing, Deji rather said that the relationship has ended at this point, and if you tell anyone what is going on, I'm going to release your nude. That's the gist currently trending on Twitter right now.
So, taken to her official Instagram story, Chichi subtly confirmed a breakup with her fellow ex-housemates with a motivational quote centered on loving oneself. She said, "Please love yourself enough to do you and live your truth at all times. Trust me, the world will adjust." That's what she said. So this tweet from Chichi just added more insult to injury, as this, however, confirms the speculations of some fans who insisted that Deji never loved Chichi right from Biggie's house. So the rumors are true, a fan said. "Thanks, Chichi, but I can't forget, is Deji a joke to me?" A social media user wrote. Another wrote, "Deji never loved or liked her. It was obvious in the house. There's someone out there for you, my dear." So Deji, however, has reacted to the rumors about him being a gay. Deji Morafa, who rose to fame on Big Brother NAIJA, has addressed the rumors that has been circulating about him. He addressed the rumors regarding his sexual orientation and his breakup with Chichi. There have been rumors circulating online that the reality TV star is in a romantic relationship with a male housemate and has broken up with his love interest in the house, Chichi. On Thursday morning, Deji Morafa responded to the allegation on his verified Twitter account, proving them to be false. The reality show star expressed regret for appearing as a housemate on the show rather than staying in his lane, pointing out that it is almost 2023 and saying someone is gay is no longer an insult. However, the slander, Deji also threatened to call the police. Deji said, "It's sad for them that I would never be caught explaining anything. Y'all should keep the clout. I don't want it. Making more money and collecting more fragrances is the ultimate goal. It continued, you guys should leave every other housemate name out of this. Because I am close to them doesn't mean you can't disrespect them. Bro, it's almost 2023 and people still think tagging someone gay or homosexual is a form of abuse. Una go dey talk rubbish until dem use police carry una for false narrative. Continue if you know say you no wan enjoy your Christmas for house. So guys, that is the gist. That is what is going on. Deji and Chichi have broken up, and there's an allegation that Deji and Dotu are doing something. Guys, this is the update I have for you. What do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.